Hi, welcome to Cycl'n Vancouver. My name's Steve. If you watched any of my cycling videos, you may know that I like baked goods. In fact, I love them, and apple strudel is one of my favorites. Now, this is not an authentic strudel. Rather, it's a quick and easy apple strudel using frozen puff pastry that I get from my local store for less than $5, and it makes 2 strudels. If you're interested, I will leave the full recipe in the video description. Sorry, but I'm not going to show how to peel and cut apples. If you don't know already, stop now because you're in over your head. It's much easier to work the pastry when it is partially thawed. I take it out of the freezer about 20 minutes before I plan to work it. It might start off tough, but it quickly takes shape and becomes easy to roll. If you thaw out the pastry, it will become a sticky nightmare, and you want to avoid that. Beware overfilling your strudel. I always want to stuff as much filling in as I can, but I've learned the hard way that less can be more. I will often test the pastry to see whether I can close it and then judge whether more filling can be added. Of course, I usually end up with apple filling left over. Because it has raw flour, the mix must be cooked before eating. I just put the leftover mix in a pot with a small amount of water and cook it down into an apple cinnamon sauce, which I then put on yogurt. Of course, it goes without saying, though I will say it because stupid people deserve warnings too. The strudel is quite hot out of the oven and you should let it cool down before eating. This apple strudel makes for a great breakfast before heading out for a ride, especially if you add a little whipped cream and or some ice cream. Enjoy!